In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix delay on BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your project, and then at the very top, you want to tap on that settings cogwheel. So there's 3 buttons. Tap on the settings up top. There we go, like this. And then in here, you want to scroll down a bit, and then you'll be able to see down here under Studio Settings at the very bottom, it says Latency Fix, okay? So to actually fix delay, the easiest way to do this is to actually use this button. So just tap on that, and as you can see, it's going to give you some information on your latency. It says that for me it's 307 and it says it's pretty high, so of course I could go ahead and change that. Now the first way to change it, and the most convenient one, is to simply tap on retake test at the bottom left, and then here it's going to say what you have to do. So you have to unplug any headphones, you have to find a quiet location, and then a few beeps will be played. So tap on start test. It's going to take like 10 to 15 seconds. It's very quick. It's going to start beeping, so it's going to start by very quiet, and then it's going to go even more and more loud. Now I'm not going to play this because I don't want to hurt your ears over here, but of course that's what's going to happen. It's going to be quick and it's going to fix your latency that way. Or you could go ahead and tap on advanced bottom right, and then in here you can go ahead and basically manually adjust your latency over here. You can go ahead and tap on the plus or minus button, or just use the slider bar at the bottom, tap on save, and you're good to go, just like this, okay? Now, of course, that's one way to do it. And then, of course, if you can use wired headphones instead of Bluetooth, and then freeze heavy tracks to reduce the load on your kind of CPU on your mobile device, that's also going to work very well. So that's basically some tips on how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.